Hello and welcome back to Bugo Center. It's been a long time not recording a video about tutorial, and now I'm gonna share with you, all of you Bugo Center's viewers, about the how to make a robotic arm with a SolidWorks. So I wanna share with you step by step to make a simple uh, arm robotic with a SolidWorks. So the first thing we have to take a look a sample on the uh, Google, and now it's from a GrabCAD. So I got the design like this. So we want to make uh, the design like this, and yeah, just save it. First one, robotic arm, robotic arm. Okay, and then we open this sample. Okay, so first thing first, the we have to take a look parts of this robotic arm. So the first part is the base. So here is the fixed base, and the second one is the second stage of the arm, and this one has a function to rotate. And then uh, the second one is the arm, long arm here. We're gonna call this the second stage. So the motion is the up and down with the rotation on that. And then the third one is here like this. I join this one, and the last one is the arm, the finger. And we open the SolidWorks like this, and a new document and part. The first one, we have to make the base of this. Okay, so it's like a top, and then make a circle here. I wanna make like maybe about 50 centimeter, 500, and then uh, extrude this one with the thickness of next to it is the maybe about the 15, not yet, 20, 200, sorry, 200. Okay, after that we have to make a chamfer here, chamfer on this one. So we gonna do this and then click the chamfer and click this one, and make or adjust the diameter or dimension, sorry, the dimension and the angle. So I'm gonna use this angle 45 degrees, and then with the dimensions of maybe 20. Okay, and then okay, like this. So we have to make a new sketch here on that surface, on the top surface, and make again the circle. We can use the circle, or we can use offset entities. So just click offset entities and then click the line, and we're gonna reverse and maybe about the 30 something or 50 or 60, um, maybe about like this. Okay, take a look this one. Okay, maybe like the 70. Okay, and then okay, and then the extrude about, yeah, 5 centimeter, and then okay, And don't forget to chamfer again here, but with the chamfer of 10. Okay. After that, we have to make uh, the bracket for the bolt. Okay, there are 4 here. Wanna make from the surface and make it with the rectangle. So I'm gonna make the center line here to help me to make a symmetry conditions, and then here, okay, sorry, with this one corner rectangle, mm, with the dimensions of maybe 100, and then with the gap on there from the centroid is we get about here maybe 220. Okay, something like this, 220. And uh, with the width is 50 maybe. Okay, maybe 50. And then we can use a mirror function here to mirror the entities about the center that we make it. And then, okay, after that, we trim this one to make uh, a rectangle on the other side. And we can use a silver sketch patterns to make that, but I want to make just one sample and then make a silver pattern. So after this, we go to the futures and extrude it to other sides. So with a more thin thickness, about 20 or 1 centimeter here. And after that, make uh, we make this to this one, and then center line again, and then about 20. After that, we go to the mirror entities and mirror about the center line, and after that, extrude it. Don't forget to check the merge result. So if you don't check the merge result, the body that make by extrude it's not combined. So we have to merge the result to make this body just in one body. Maybe about this one, but I think it's too much thickness in there, so I will change that one to 10. Okay, it's not updated. We have to uh, make a video, save here, robotic arm, and then the base. Okay, then rebuild. So it's rebuilt here. We have to check again the example. So oh, this one is like this. Okay, okay, and then uh, we can use cut extruded cut, but we can use another way to make geometry like the sample of this. We can using the wait, I want to make other solutions to we have to delete it again. Sketch, I have to sketch about this one, and wanna make like this one. Okay. All right. So here and here is the coins. Sorry. Wanna make it with the center line, and then here and here is the midpoint, and make it the line connected. After that, we go to the extrude on the other side with the 5 maybe or 7, and then we can use a mirror function to make, sorry, we can use here sketch again and open this sketch before, and then convert the entities the other way, and then okay. So it's okay, and we have to make a hole here. I wanna just make a hole with the center line again, and then here with the maybe M10 10 millimeter with a gap here of 20, and with this one is, sorry, here in here, sorry, smart dimension here and here is the 35. After that, we go to the mirror entities and select the entities uh, and mirror about. After that, we go to the extruded card and change the line, drag and draw, with the drop down here, and then use this up to surface and click the surface that you gonna end the extruded card function. Then here we go. We have this simple bolt for of the bracket for bolt here. Okay, and then uh, we have to select this linear pattern here and then choose the circular pattern. After that, use this one, extrude it, and here and here. Sorry, here, here, here. Sorry, extrude it, and like this one. Oh, sorry, I forgot about the merge, and we have to change the merge. Yeah, the merge, and then the merge, and the last one is the merge. Okay, uncheck, uncheck, and uncheck. So we have 4 bodies, and the cut is not here. Okay, so we have to make, okay, the relation there. It's okay. Here, just delete it here and here, and then there. Okay, and then the last way around is the sketch. Here is the error, so just, sorry, the plan. for all bodies. Then okay. Okay, it's all good. And then we make another circular pattern and select the bodies and the bodies with the direction here. Okay, just change to 4 and okay. So we already make a base here. Okay, so but there are a problem here with the bodies. So the bodies not combine each other, so we have to combine it. Okay, we have to combine the body. You can use the command here. Just type the combine and add. Then just choose this one and select the all bodies, and then okay. So the bodies it changed to be a one body, and then set fit. Okay, we already make a base of the arm. So maybe I wanna spare this video to the next part. So after we make a base here, we have to make this the first stage here. Okay, on another video. Thank you for watching this video, and yeah, see you on the next part. And just don't forget to follow the Bugo Center and read the article from Bugo Center and the books and the magazines and another publications on our website on the www.bugocenter.com. And just don't forget to subscribe and like this video or comment it on the commenting box below. If you have any questions or if you have any recommendations of or requests about the design to make something with a SolidWorks, just comment below. And thank you and goodbye.